day 7. So obviously I know that it's going out on Monday, but I didn't do the weekend due to my normal tutorial going up. So we have got Saturday the 7th, and then we'll have the 8th and the normal one on the Monday. So the 7th is in this beautiful scales paper, so I'm guessing that this is probably going to be a mermaid colour. And of course it's that type of wrapping that doesn't tear, so let's have to bear with me a second on this one. There we go. There's always one awkward one, isn't there? Oh, and there's a little extra something in this one. So we've got this gorgeous little mermaid stitch marker, which is all really glittery and shimmery. So a little stitch marker. That's a really beautiful little surprise in there. And then we've got the actual yarn itself. So yeah, absolutely, definitely mermaidy, this one. This colourway is stunning. I think this one's actually my new favourite already. I think I've said that with every one I've opened so far, but hey. So I'm just going to bring it up to the camera a little bit closer so that you can see all of the colours. So we've got lots of different shades in here: blue, pink, purple, yellow, green, all different ones. I love these yellowy greens here. I think they're really pretty. So I'll just hold that background. So an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colourway. And again, it's got those beautiful speckles, which I just love. So that is day number 7. So we've got the gorgeous mermaid yarn and the really unusual and beautiful mermaid stitch marker as well. That's very different to anything that I have currently, so that's going to be a nice addition to my collection. So that is day 7, and I shall see you in just a tick for number 8. We're going to do number 8 now. So again, this is part of the bumper edition. I can see some neon colours in here. Wow. So we've got a base which looks like a bluey grey. Well, it's definitely blue actually, but that sort of denim-y blue, almost faded denim blue, and then these absolutely amazing neon colours. So this is a real contrast actually to some of the others. So we've got the neon pink, we've then got this beautiful section of pinks and orange through to the yellow, which is really, really bright, and then again round to the green, and then to blue here, and finally the purple. So that is a really interesting one, and I really do love this one actually. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do love contrasting ones where you've got a plain base section and then really, really hot neon colours. I think that looks absolutely incredible, that one. Really enjoying seeing all of these. I'm just going to very quickly tip out all of the others that we've had so far. I'm just going to zoom out a little so that you can see all of these beautiful colours that we've had so far. So you can see we've got a real mixture going on here, and as I say, I think these are all going to be used in one big project, so it's going to look absolutely amazing. So I will see you in just a tick again, where we will open Monday, and then we'll be all caught up and ready to go back to our daily openings. So there we go. Okay, so we're on to Monday the 9th now. We're all caught up. Ooh. This one I think either is fruit salad or it just reminds me a lot of fruit salad. So this is another super bright one, and we've got the gorgeous mix of yellows and pinks and orange as well. So we've got pink and yellow mainly, and then some amazing speckles again. So this is a really bright one, and it's gorgeous as expected. So I hope that you've enjoyed this bumper 3-day opening. I was getting lots of comments saying that they wished it was Monday already so that we could catch up. So I hope that it's been worth waiting for this 3 days, and I will see you back to normal again tomorrow for daily openings. But I will see you then. Bye for now.